My dear student, my dear friends, I Rakesh Mohan Kothari welcome you on behalf of Physical Edupedia. We have discussed earlier about aim and objective of physical education. Now, Mrs. Sunita Shardaji, lecturer of physical education, Raisina Bengali School, is going to discuss regarding career option available in the field of physical education. So, welcome to Mrs. Sunita Shardaji.
Namaskar and welcome back to the class of physical education for class 11. This is chapter number 1 and topic number 2, that is career options in physical education. Dear students, the class 10th result has been declared and now all of you are in class 11. I hope you are all well at your places and staying healthy, safe with proper social distancing. So students, now gear up for the studies. Let's start our topic, today's topic, that is second topic of first chapter. Dear students, these are the opportunities in the field of physical education. Number one is physical education in teaching as teachers, and later we will discuss about these topics in detail. Career in coaching, then as a player, your career, and you can have a career in health sector also and in health administration, and next is media. So these are the main topics. Let's discuss the teaching first. Yes, career in teaching. Number one is you can be a teacher of physical education at primary level. After doing your professional degree in physical education, that is bachelor's in physical education or diploma in physical education, after completing your graduation, you can do 1 year or 2 years diploma in physical education. After that, you can join in a primary school, and number 2 at a middle school, number 3 at a secondary level school, and for the senior secondary school you have to complete your master's degree in physical education also. So here I would like to tell you that ma'am, there only one teacher can be sufficient for different school, but no, here I must tell you that there are many schools, they are just till the primary section. So one physical education teacher is compulsory in every school and at different levels. For primary schools there are different teachers, for middle school also there are different teachers, and secondary level school also there are different teachers. Now for a senior secondary school, the teachers in senior secondary school, they teach the subject physical education also, as because it's a subject for class 12 as a main subject and as an additional subject also. And now at the college level, also there are a physical education teacher that we call as a GP. He is the head of the physical education department. For that, one must obtain a PhD in physical education and pass the exam of NET. And we can also have a teaching profession in other professional institutes. There are so many other institutes also, like B.Ed colleges or any other school for different courses. Their physical education teacher is compulsory. So you can have a career in physical education in teaching line in at all these different levels. Here you can see the children are performing different activities. These activities are organized by physical education teachers at different level. Here the students are participating in sports day events. The teachers make sure that each and every student of the school get a participation, and that is only possible by the physical education teachers over here. So let's move on to the next one. Now the second option is coaching career. Dear students, if you are a player or you have taken physical education as a subject and you want to pursue a game, you want to participate in any indigenous tennis game or any other game like football, kabaddi, badminton, basketball, in any other game you are interested. So, and you have participated in different competitions also, and you are trying hard in this line. So it is not necessary for you to choose another traditional subjects only. You can choose your career in physical education also. So as coach we can join a school, as because their specialized training is given in schools also for different games. So you can join a school, and for in college also. In colleges there are near about 5 to 6 coaches in every college. And next is sports institute. Some sports institutes that pursue purely sports, like different stadiums or different sports colleges. They also appoint coaches. Here you can see PT Usha with her coach Nambiar. With the training of Mr. Nambiar, she scored a medal there in Asian Games. Then you can see here the coach of Mary Kom, and everybody knows about Mary Kom. Here you can see Sachin Tendulkar. He is with his coach Ramakant Achrekar. So students, coaching is also a fabulous career in physical education, but the only one requirement is that you must have a proper interest in physical education activities, and you should pursue them seriously. Then only you can go for these options, as because they also need a lots of hard work. And now in different sports institute you can be a coach, and different institutional recreation. Now these days, dear student, MNCs, the multinational companies, they are also organizing recreational events for their employees. For that purpose, they need the physical education personals to organize all those activities, as because it is not possible for a common man to organize recreational activities. So for that purpose also they appoint different kind of activity teachers. And sports facilities management also, there also different facilities are managed by the physical educational personals. All those they have the knowledge of physical activities. So next is in administration, in sports administration. Sports administration, as you know, the term is very clear. In administration you can join as a coach in the physical education department of universities or any other stadium. There also they need coaches for each and every game. For stadiums it is compulsory to have coaches. As you know, the main purpose of stadium is to provide physical education activities. So you can have a career in coaching also. Now the third option is health related careers. So you'll be surprised to know how physical education is related to health. Oh, it is directly related to health and physical education. Due to physical activity only, we can keep up in best of our healthy conditions. So the first job in health related careers is as a sports dietitian. Diet and nutrition. See, nutrition plays a vital role in the development and growth of a human being. Same, and it is very compulsorily important for players. Players need to have a balanced diet according to their activities. They should know the proportion of their diet, like different nutrients, how much protein, carbohydrates, fats and vitamins are required for their daily use. So this is all prescribed by the sports dietitian. For that purpose, you must have a diploma in diet and nutrition, and you can pursue a further MSc in diet also, diet and nutrition. That will give you a fabulous start in your career. So the students who are studying science, they can pursue this course very well. They should not worry that it is only engineering and medicine for them. There are lot many careers in physical education also. Number two, as a sports psychologist, psychology is a subject that is on top of all the careers these days, as because mental health is a basic requirement of a human being and of the players also. To maintain a healthy mental status, the proper psychological advices are compulsory, and sports psychologists, the job of sports psychologist is very much important at national international levels. To upkeep the healthy mental status, they play a vital role. So the students can pursue career in sports psychology also. They can pursue a degree in psychology from any college, and later on they can choose sports psychology in one of their options, and after that they can have this career in physical education. Health and wellness clinics. Students these days, so much health and wellness clinics are coming up, and they need professionals. They need professional, all those who have knowledge of physical education, and they are basically players. They have participated in different activities. Then only they can impart knowledge about health and wellness. So in these clinics, there is a demand of professionals, so you can have a career there also. Now, training in multi-gym is a new phenomena here. They need trainers in the multi-gyms also, and some people, they do not prefer going to a multi-gym, but they prefer a personal trainer. So they call people at their place, and they pay them well. So you can, if you are interested in bodybuilding, or you are very interested in body shape and maintaining your weight, and that is not able, the people are not able to control their weight, as because there are lot many lifestyle diseases, right, and their nutritional habits are not proper. So they need advices, and they need training to shut down their weight and to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So these all are the opportunity. You can pursue any of these by taking physical education as a subject and pursuing it later on. Yes, performance related career. Okay, students, this is your best slide, I think. You're liking this slide? Yes, these all are the players, all those who have chosen their physical education, their sports as their career, right? So these all are the players, those who have chosen physical education and sports their career, right? So if we are working hard in this field, we will definitely can get this career as a player. Number two, career as official also. If you are interested in game, you have the knowledge of your sports you are playing, so you can pursue a course in officiating also after your graduation degree. So course in officiating, after that you can take this officiating as your career also. You have seen lot many empires on the field, so that is just because they have pursued a course in officiating. Now, media related careers. Career in print media and career in electronic media. Print media is the sports writing and photography. Writing for the newspapers, writing for the magazines. There are hundreds of newspapers that print every day, and sports news is very happening in the newspapers. And pictures, everybody likes to watch the pictures related to sports. They are a prominent feature of the newspapers. So if you have a good writing skills, then you can pursue a diploma in journalism or a degree in journalism to have a career in print media. Okay, and if you are interested in photography and you are a player and you are not able to pursue a career as a player, you can pursue a career as a photographer also. Okay, career in electronics media. In sports broadcasting, you can have a career as a commentator and as a sports news reporter and a broadcaster. Students, you can see here Mr. Jasdev, he is saying that commentator is a camera. He is very right in saying this. Here are two commentators from Kannada medium, and you must have seen Mandira Bedi in cricket commentary. So it is a fabulous, very charming career in electronic media. The requirement is just one. You should be interested in games and sports. You should have a deep knowledge of all the rules and regulations, and the best of all is you should have a good speaking skills and good communication skills. If you possess all these qualities, you can have career in these mediums also. And if you don't have these qualities, you can develop them. You can really develop them and can join this career. By now, you have come to know about all the career options in physical education, right? Now you can say that you have not done any mistake in choosing physical education as a subject in class 11. Besides keeping you fit, it will give you a knowledge of all the games and sports, and physical education is a subject that will provide you knowledge of your life. It is not that you can study it and that knowledge will remain in the books. No, it is not like that. It is the knowledge of your life. So if you can choose physical education as career in different options, in teaching, in coaching, in health sector, as a player, and as in media also. So students, I hope you have understood this topic very well, and now for the next topic we will meet again in the next video. Till then, thank you and stay safe.
Thank you, Sunita ji. Hope you all enjoyed and discussed about the career option of physical education available. So thank you so much for listening. Very soon we will come with a new video. Thank you so much.